Hello and namaste everyone, you're watching Smarty Tech Phase and I'm Anjali with a new video related to the SFTP. So we are working on a SFTP series. So we already done with the connection part, we are done with the uploading part, and now we will today talk about the downloading part, that is how we can download the files or any file available on the remote server using the SFTP to our local system or to our local server. Fine, so let's get started. So just a quick review what we have done earlier. We have done with the connection part that we established the session, we are creating the password, we are providing the properties, and we just connect the session and getting the SFTP channel. So using this channel SFTP, we will do all the operations. We are done with the file transfer part. You can see that what we have done here. Even you can see the previous part of this series. I will provide the link in the I option as well, so you can go and watch it. I have explained it clearly in the previous video, so we will only talk about today about the file download. So there is only 3 lines of code I have written extra, that is the remote location, the remote location on which your file are available. My remote location is upload / this is the file which we have uploaded earlier in the previous part. So I am just fetching the same file in my local system, and using that channel SFTP, using the get function, you can see that we have a different type of get functions here, like string source, output stream. You can get the file using the output stream too, and but today we are getting the file using the source and destination, that is providing the source path and then providing the destination path. So this will be my destination path, just to ensure that I haven't any file yet in this location. You can see, this is a home. Okay, so there is no file like that in my local system right now. So after connecting to the channel SFTP and using this function, this file should be available in my local system. So hope this is all clear to you. And then next I have done is finally, because I just want to ensure that my channel's SFTP should be disconnected and it should be exit from the session. Fine, so using the final option I have used that. Now I will just run it. So this is only a single line of code, right? This is a single line which you have to return. This is the remote location from where you have to download the file, and this is the source location, on the location where you want to download file. This is from and this is to. So run as Java application. So you can see that file download successfully. Now go back to my place, and now it should be like, okay, you can see that the file is now available. So I'll open it and you can see the content is available. I have changed the name, right? But that is not actually, you don't have to change the name. If you want the same name, you can provide the same name here. That depends on you what name you want to be downloaded. Okay, so the file is downloaded now, test.download.txt. This is a file which I have uploaded earlier. Fine, so this is all about downloading the file from using the SFTP server from the remote location. So we will talk about the other operations of the SFTP2 in the next few parts. So please stay tuned with us and keep watching, keep learning. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.